100% wild birds, and we'll be hunting this fall on over 26,000 acres so that we can hunt a field and then let it set 2 or 3 weeks and let the birds come back in there. We manage our ground specifically for the birds. We have grazing operation and we rotationally graze, and we just try to manage the ground to maintain and hold these birds. We've engineered areas that are food plot areas, but we also hunt riparian, waterways, CRPs, shelter belts, cattails.
Perfect.
You'll see it all.
So you get a variety of, I mean, you're not just doing the same repetitive hunt every time.
I used to get so upset, walk a half mile in a cornfield, get to the end, shoot, turn around, walk a half mile back.
Yes.
We don't do that.
You don't do that. So you got a variety of terrain and different ways to hunt them. So if they're not in the corn today, this afternoon, there you go somewhere else, and they happen to be there.
When you're hunting with us, you'll see anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000 wild birds.
Wow.
And you're going to experience it. You're going to see it. Usually during the 3-day hunt, we'll get into an area where you will see bird after bird after bird after bird.
And a typical hunt is 3 days?
We have a 3-day package. Some guys would like to come and hunt, say, a 5-day situation to us. We can tailor a hunt specifically for whatever they want to do.
And you can accommodate up to how many hunts?
Our lodge holds 10, and 10 is a nice number to work with. I have a bus where we move people around, and 10 people fit on there good with the dogs and everything like that.
Okay, so you also use dogs then. How do you use the dogs when you're hunting?
Mike, our guide, has 3 phenomenal labs, and we have another guide that comes in with an English pointer. But other guys, if they have hunting dogs, they're welcome here.
Way to go, Travis!